Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 67, then keep right.
Guess what we're doing this week?
In 800 feet, slide right.
Checking in, Lynn's doing the pet contract. She thinks you're Mickey Mouse.
No, she's
Spanish Moss Lane. I never saw Mickey or Minnie anywhere, but it looks a lot like a regular campsite, except about $50 more than we normally pay per night. See if we can get in the site now. Yeah, I think we're level. Well, we're in the site. Let's hook up the electricity and Bob's your uncle. Let's go look for Mickey and Minnie. Actually, our family's coming over in just a little bit, and we're going to spend some time here tonight around the campground. And then, believe it or not, we're going to leave Maggie here tomorrow and the next day, and we're going to go into 2 of the parks and explore. Now, we'll take you with us. Maybe not too much over there, but if you're like us, you probably wonder what it's like to camp here at Fort Wilderness. And I guess the first impression for us is there's a lot of trees, there's a lot of shade. It's very well taken care of, just like you normally would think that it would be, and the check-in process has been flawless. Okay, right over there are the restrooms. Let's take a look around our site. Site 2058, in case you're wondering. This is what we have. Trash can right out here in front of the site. That'll be cool. We have a grill, picnic table, very level concrete pad, and then a tent pad back here. We are set up. So how much is this per night? Well, we're used to paying around $40 to $50 per night for the state parks once you pay the reservation fee and everything else. For this one, it's $99 for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays are $130 per night. Now, that's a lot of money for a campsite, but it's just like you're staying in one of the resort areas, so you get all the amenities that come with being a guest. Golf carts everywhere here. I still haven't seen Mickey and Minnie, but we came up here to the Pioneer Hall to see exactly how we need to order, which you do online with the My Disney Experience. We've been stopped by 3 different people who subscribe to the channel, and this is Bob up here. I think he stopped and saw Maggie, and we've got to get back. It looks like we may end up having to get a golf cart to make this work, but it's cool to meet everybody. Take me home, Bob. Take me home.
Yeah. you guys got to pedal the whole way, right?
Heck yeah, we didn't know that either. We came pedaling down through here, and here comes the Disney police. Hey, you can't have e-bikes. You got to turn them off and pedal.
Like 2 weeks ago.
Really?
It's typical Disney, like when you say, well, what happened? Why did they do that?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want to smile beside her?
Maggie.
So everybody's here, and the first meal is being prepared. Order it online. You come back up here to the Pioneer Hall. While I'm waiting, there's a beautiful sunset over here over the lake that goes to the Magic Kingdom. So I'm going to go over there and look at that and just do what we normally do. And it's ready. All right, here we have pizza box with Mickey and Goofy, and who's that? Daffy, Minnie, Donald. Who's that? Put a rock in your shoe.
It's not as bad as my shoe. My shoe's pretty bad.
What are you guys doing? Are we going to the movies or not?
We can go over there.
So good morning. It didn't rain last night. When you come, you're going to find that the campsites are beyond clean. I mean, not just blown off with no trash or anything else, but you're going to find that they actually use these little green hoses that are here to wash off everything on every campsite before you get here and check in. So when you check into your site, it's a perfectly clean site. There are a lot of campgrounds that could learn a lot about how they take care of this place. So I guess one could say for $100 a night, they should, right? But I don't know. They don't have to wash them off. They don't have to spray them off and keep them that clean, but they do. And then you're going to find plenty of trash cans. I mean, like, look, almost every site has a trash can. And they keep the roads clean.
Sweep the roads.
I love it. Probably the most meticulous campsite cleaning effort that we've ever seen. And of course, Maggie knows where our site is. Here we are. So this is what I would like to call the calm before the storm. We're getting ready to pack up the bag and get on the bus and head over to Animal Kingdom to spend the day with our family there. The grandchildren are so excited about showing us something that they love, and we're excited about experiencing it with them. But I gotta tell you, this part of it, wow, this is just a campground, the way Disney would do a campground, which I'm liking. I don't like the $100 a night, but I'm liking the campground. This is all right. In fact, I could just stay right here, but I can't.
The bus depot, waiting on the Animal Kingdom bus. Lots and lots of golf carts over here. A lot of e-bikes, even though you're not supposed to ride e-bikes. So they have parking at the bus depot.
Animal Kingdom bus. Here we go. Excited?
Are you?
Yeah.
The bus was a real good experience. I think we left the RV around 11:30, and it's 5 after 12 right now. So it took us a little over 30 minutes to get here and that's switching buses and waiting on another bus. So we waited on 2 buses. So it wasn't bad. I think it was 15 minutes to drive from Fort Wilderness to here to Animal Kingdom. So they do check your bags when you come in, which is a good thing. All right, let's go find the family.
Hey guys. Hey Sam, what park are we going to?
Animal Kingdom.
Sam, is this your favorite ride?
Yeah.
All right. When you find money up there in the park, she's gonna fly out. They took off.
Foot wingspan.
Now, these are massive birds, and found out in Africa, they're really beneficial too.
Got you, buddy. Really careful.
Abby,
What?
what are we riding?
My friends on the right, watch your hands up. Sweet flags, doors to the left.
All those animals are
Arriving here for the Festival of the Lion King.
That's a motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you?
The golf cart. Smells. Let's get on the bike. Get back in the Toto basket. Well, it's getting about time to go hop on the bus, but first we need to hop on the bikes and ride there. And then we're going to ride the bus over to Hollywood Studios, get through the gates, and meet our family again for day number 2. It's really peaceful here, but how much the grandkids enjoy those parks it's just priceless. Thank you. Lynn has the camera, which is Peanut and the little holder, so I think maybe that might look like a fuse or something in there. So. Hi.
ticket and finger on the glass.
So those who know me, what don't I like? Crowds. What's here? Crowds. Lots and lots of people. And up and down the streets. Crowds. Crowds.
Are you having fun? Your tongue's red. Your tongue and your teeth are red.
What are we watching now? Is it a good show? It must be. There's like 1 million people here. Wow, buddy, that was awesome. Things about being in a campground is children that enjoy camping. Hello! You like camping? You do? Good. Have you seen any squirrels?
Yeah.
Good. Hello, campers.
Hello, camper.
I'm sure they enjoy. I'm sure they enjoy Disney World and all the parks and everything else. But You know, they're having a good time out here in the campground. That's the cool thing about this campground. The subscribers beside of us have been here now for 3 days, and they haven't gone into any of the parks, and it sounds like they've had a wonderful time. If you wanted to come here and just stay in the campground, I don't know, we usually rate parks and say they get a 5 for amenities. You know, this one's going to get a 15 because you just would have to stay, you'd have to stay a week and a half probably to what, get to do everything inside of this park.
There's movie nights, there's crafts, there's, you know,
make t-shirts, there's
all kinds of stuff. Pony rides,
horse rides. It's like all the bike
for
trails.
kids. I mean, it's definitely
It's just,
Disney oriented.
it is, and it's perfect for even for us. It's perfect for us.
Places to eat, and
what they did is they got on the boat and went over to Disney or to Magic Kingdom, and then got on the monorail and went to all the Grand Floridian and all the Grand hotels,
Polynesian,
and then went into there and ate different things from different countries that are represented in that area. That's a really good day trip to take there, and it's like going to many places, but not really having to leave the park. And you know, it's
that's the best thing about the park, and one of the reasons why we stayed here is that we could leave Maggie in the van and nice and cool while we went and, you know, enjoyed the parks with the grandkids.
Because the days have been in the mid 80s, and it's been a great thing from it being warm. But you know, we have to worry about that with Maggie. And if we'd had to go park over at the park with her, it would have been difficult to have stayed gone for, you know, 6 or 7 hours like that and still be able to keep her cool. So hello campers, isn't that the best thing? Hello.